Right, this little house here unfortunately looks like a character, right? It doesn't look like architecture. So what happened here? Well, obviously this cut is too large. This is is meant to be a prism house. The prism house needs to fit inside of a prism. So the cut is too much. Let me just correct this really fastly. Right. So we got a little cut here. And now we need to make the volume pop. So we're going to add a volume with texture here, just at the entrance. Get rid of the visual language of face, right? It's not ideal. We can go for an inverted L shape. And here's time to add more of the texture. So you can see the volumetric design starting to look good. That little house looks like something that would be architecture. Okay, the perspective is good enough. You don't need to test the idea in a frontal view or planar view or whatever. If the perspective looks good, then the house looks good. Cool. So if you want to learn more, get my free course, and take care. Draw nicely.